Okay, we're back. Yes, the Haynes manual did confirm that the long side is the drive, or the motor side. Of course, that's the motor side. That's the front of the vehicle. The short side is on the passenger side. The long side is on the driver's side. So, since this is the direction it's going to be inside the electric motor module, we're going to tilt this way so the motor posts are visible, or mostly visible, as visible as possible when you are doing your maintenance on the electric motor module. You'll likely have it out of the vehicle. If you have it out of the vehicle, you're going to be standing in front of it like this, because this will be the car side, if you want to describe it, and back there will be the batteries and the power module and stuff. So you will have access to these motor lugs and the cables for checking tightness and all that good stuff. Okay, I'm not going to tighten these up too much. Well, actually, I'm going to tighten them up like this is the final thing, because I don't know if they're going to stick out where they shouldn't stick out otherwise. So to avoid them being in the way, just in case, what we're going to do is, and you can't see a whole lot of that. I'm going to move the camera. Okay, now we'll go over to this side so you can actually see what's going on. There. Okay, so everything is, well, it was finger tight. I tightened it up till the lock washers are set. Half a turn, half a turn, half a turn. And then you just keep going around like that, like you're putting a tire on. You don't want to kink it. Get it bottomed out. Okay. So everything is hand tight on the middle of the wrench. And we're going to do just enough to set the lock washer. It's about half a turn. Again, not too tight. Don't want to be breaking the bolts off. At least I'm trying not to break the bolts off. I don't want to go try and find some more. Okay, that looks pretty good. Clean the crap off the shaft here. And then we will, the bolts on the flywheel are a little bit strange. They're at 12 millimeter, I think. I should get the caliper out, confirm that. Okay, we're back again. Going to find out how big the bolts are. The head on the bolt is looks like 18 millimeter. Good luck. I don't expect that this will take a whole lot of torque when I'm done, but let's see what I got for 12-point sockets. Let's see what I got for metric sockets. 12 metric and 12-point sockets. So I thought it was going to be 18 millimeter. I don't have an 18, I have a 19, which is too large. Let's try a 17. 17 looks pretty good. So again, we're gonna just take things down and get them not even hand tight, just snug. Again, doing the star pattern. 6 bolts here. Is this how it should be done? Heck no. This is how I'm doing it, which is almost never right. But I have it documented, and someone tells me how it should be done, and then I can show them what I've done, and they can tell me whether it's right or not. We're going to put a little bit of torque. I guess that one wasn't slow. If you're wondering why I'm picking up the wrench and turning it instead of using the ratchet, there's no resistance yet, so I just find it easier to do it that way. Anyway, okay, so now that we're snugged up, we'll do a little bit of a turn, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. Go back and check. It went a little bit more. Those two didn't go very much. Those didn't go at all. That's tight enough for me. And we'll see if that turns out to be tight enough for the car. Now we're going to take this, align it onto the motor shaft, and sounds. Okay, so the key is pounded in. It appears to be in a good place there. This thing is just heavy enough. It's not easy to do this. Back. It's too high. It's too low. What else have I got? This over here. Is this high enough? Nope. On this one. Oh, it's closer. So, look at some. Keep on. First. Okay. Felt pretty good. And okay, I have no idea how far that's supposed to go, but this thing, when it's being pushed out, the limits of how far it'll push out. Is up to here. That is, we need a straight edge. Straight edge across is this surface meets up here. So when you take this, you see that the we'll do calipers. The caliper says from the edge to inside is 18 millimeters. So on this side, 18 millimeters isn't too very far, so this has got to go in quite a ways yet. Because this touches that, yes. With that on top of it. So perhaps this goes in quite a ways then. gonna pound this in. Now, this is supposed to be how it works. It is going to be really tough to do up the Allen keys on the inside there. Not really tough, impossible. I can see one of them right now, and that doesn't make any sense in terms of how it should work, because you can't do up the Allen keys. Mind you, there is a keyway, and this is all pushed together, so there's only so far it can come out. Perhaps it's not a big deal. I guess we'll find out. Okay, next item will be this unit. Needs to go on here, like that. And this guy needs to fit on top of them. There's 2, 3 keyholes, holes that don't have bolts in them, but they're very important for alignment. So the big holes are for the bolts, the little holes are for these guys. So I'm going to try it this way and see if that's how it fits. Not quite. Can't actually see the other one. Nope, we'll drop. So we're going to rotate this around this way. And that does not appear to be correct. So here is the last one. It must fit this way. Okay, we can start from there. Yep, it's pretty good there. This alignment is crap. But that's okay, because we didn't really expect it to be good. I was told that the first time the motor's turning, Randy at Ken EV told me, first time that the motor's turning and the clutch is engaged, when it's released, it will self-center, which sort of makes sense. There's not really a whole lot I can do about a rotating alignment the way it is right now. So, unfortunately, it means that the first time it's turning, after it's been properly put together, you do actually need to be able to engage the clutch, which is why I left this throw bearing, which seems to be jammed. I left this thing in position, because I don't need a clutch, but apparently the mechanism needs a clutch in order to fit properly. That's about enough time for a video segment. We will pause it there.